Hi guys, me Mit002. Today we got our hands on the Mi A2 Lite, which is the second iteration of the Mi Android One variant. You can see here it's an A2 Lite, which is practically the same as the Redmi 6 Pro, which sports a MIUI ROM. Okay, so we have the 4 gig, 64 gig variant over here. So let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, so here we are opening this box. You can see it's Mi A2 Lite. Okay, Snapdragon 625 again, and dual camera at the back. Okay, we can see it's really the same item as the Redmi 6 Pro. So you have the volume rocker, power button over here, micro USB charger, and loudspeaker down there. Okay, the 2 SIM card plus 1 SD card slot, then the IR and the noise cancellation mic on top. Okay, here's the dual camera, fingerprint scanner to wrap up the whole phone. Okay, so let's boot this thing up. Okay, you can see it's Android One. Okay, so Android One is a collaboration between Xiaomi and Google. As you can see, it's pure vanilla Android for this unit. So let's peel this thing off. So okay, it's a bit hard to peel this up, so use a blade just to take this thing off. Okay, so here, okay, took it off. So we have booted the phone up already. Okay, checking the screen. Okay, it's pretty bare, okay, as compared to MIUI ROM. So let's check the settings. Okay, scroll all the way down just to see the about phone. Okay, so you can see that Android One is very bare, like this one. So it's pretty much a clean state phone. Okay, so nothing really much to see here after maybe unless after you customize it. So yeah, it's a Android 8.1. Okay, so let's check the camera, the manual mode. So portrait mode. Okay, here manual mode, you can see there's only the WB and okay, and nothing more for manual mode. So okay, let's check the speed of the phone. Scrolling left, scrolling right. Nothing really much to see here, and it's responsive and fast, just like the Redmi 6 Pro. Okay, let's just take a quick look on what's inside the box. Okay, we have the micro USB charger here. We have the charger itself, and of course there goes the manual, okay, user manual, and of course the protective case, which is included also in the Redmi 6 Pro. Pretty much the same. So you can see here a well protected phone. Okay, so okay, let's turn this thing on and off. Just checking the response rate. And basically that's it for me. I'm Mit002. Thanks for watching.